Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a primal, paleo, keto, and vegan-friendly cauliflower pizza crust. And we're going to start by preheating our oven to 450 degrees. And while that's heating up, we're going to take one whole head of cauliflower and we're going to break it down by first taking off the outer leaves and the stem. And then we're going to make our way to the inside and we're going to chop the cauliflower into florets. Next, we're going to take our florets and we're going to put them in our food processor. And you're going to pulse it until you get some nice fluffy cauliflower rice. And we're going to take that cauliflower rice and we're going to steam it for about 4 minutes. Next, take your cauliflower rice and remove it from the heat and let it cool down. And we're gonna use a tea towel and we're gonna squeeze all the water and moisture out of that cauliflower. And this is probably the most important step of this whole recipe because if you don't get all the moisture out, you're gonna end up with a crust that's really crumbly and doesn't stay together. Next, you're gonna dump your cauliflower into a big mixing bowl. And at this point, you wanna make sure that you have about 3 cups of cauliflower rice. Then in a separate mixing bowl, you're gonna wanna mix together 3 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons of Primal Kitchen Avocado Oil, a tablespoon of ground flaxseed, and you're gonna whisk that all together. And you're gonna add it to your clump of cauliflower and you're gonna start mixing it and massaging it in there to start making your dough. Next, you're gonna add about 3/4 of a cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, a half a teaspoon of basil, a half a teaspoon of oregano, salt to taste, and I like red pepper flakes. And you're gonna mix that into your cauliflower until the dough is a nice uniform consistency, and you're gonna roll it up into a ball. Next, you're gonna line a baking sheet with parchment paper, and you're gonna wanna spray it down with some avocado oil spray. Take the ball of dough and spread it into a nice circle, approximately 1/4 inch thick. And you're gonna bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes until the crust starts to get a nice golden brown color. And that's it for the crust recipe. You can do whatever you want next, add some toppings, add some sauce, some cheese. You're gonna bake that for another 10 minutes. And there you go, the perfect paleo, keto, vegan cauliflower pizza crust.